Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to transfer Ethereum from MetaMask to Binance. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to open MetaMask. So launch the MetaMask browser extension or mobile app and ensure you are logged into your MetaMask wallet. Okay? So now obtain your MetaMask wallet address. So navigate to the Assets tab in MetaMask and click on Ethereum. Copy your Ethereum wallet address to the clipboard. This address will be used as the sender address when transferring Ethereum to Binance. Okay. So now just go ahead and log into your Binance account in another new tab. And once you've done that, just go ahead and navigate to the deposit page. So after logging in, move your mouse over the wallet menu item and click on Spot Wallet. Now, find Ethereum or ETH. So on the Spot Wallet page, search for Ethereum or select it from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Generate a Binance deposit address. So click on Deposit next to Ethereum. Binance will generate a unique deposit address for you. So make sure you select the Ethereum network that matches the one you used for MetaMask or by MetaMask. Okay? So now transfer Ethereum from MetaMask to Binance. So in MetaMask, click on the send button, paste the Binance deposit address you've copied earlier into the recipient address field. Now you need to specify the transfer amount. So enter the amount of Ethereum you want to transfer to Binance in the amount field. Double check the amount to ensure accuracy. Now set the transaction fee. So you can choose the transaction fee you wish to pay. Higher fees generally result in faster confirmation times, but they can be more expensive during periods of high network congestion. Now review and confirm. So carefully review the transaction details, including the recipient address and the amount being sent. So confirm that everything is accurate before proceeding. Now confirm the transaction. So click on confirm or send to initiate the transfer from MetaMask to Binance. So MetaMask may prompt you to approve the transaction using your wallet security features. So for example, password or biometrics. Now just go ahead and wait for the transfer. The Ethereum transfer from MetaMask to Binance may take some time to be confirmed on the Ethereum network. You can track the progress by viewing the transaction on the Ethereum blockchain using a block explorer like Etherscan. Now the last one is to check Binance for the Ethereum. So once the transfer is completed, go back to Binance and navigate to the Spot Wallet page. You should see the Ethereum balance reflected in your Binance wallet. So remember to double check addresses and take necessary security precautions when making cryptocurrency transactions to ensure the safety of your funds. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.